Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for you. Now this happened on 3/5 of 2024 on spring break in Clearwater, Florida. The officers were on patrol looking for alcohol on the beach, and they noticed some young ladies that were consuming alcohol. They approached them, and one of them gave a fake ID. Guys know it never pays out to fake it with the police. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at that video.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
Guys from Iowa?
Yep.
Nice.
We're from Ohio. We go to college all together, so we're all
Okay, cool.
Ball State. Indiana? Oh, good.
So here's the deal. Yeah.
Are we gonna go back?
So you got some in your cooler.
None.
So you can't have any alcohol.
Okay.
Closed, open alcohol you can go to jail for.
Yes.
So we don't want that, right?
Right, no, definitely not.
Alright.
Why did mine make It did. He took yours too. We don't even have it.
Anna, where'd you get this ID from?
My state?
Okay, so this is gonna be your one chance or you're going to jail right now. Where did you get this ID from?
My friend?
Same with Mike.
Your friend?
Yeah.
Do you wanna go to jail on a felony?
No.
So then what's wrong with you guys having fake IDs?
This is so we just turned an alcohol.
We don't like.
Listen.
Okay.
You just turned a simple civil alcohol into a felony. Possession of a fake ID is a felony. You understand that?
Yes.
How old are you?
Felony.
I'm 20.
You're 20?
Like life ruining. Felony.
Yeah, I understand that, sir.
Why would you hand a fake ID to a police officer? Handing it to a bouncer at a bar is one thing. We're not security guards. We can look up this stuff.
Right.
Why would you do that?
I did not bring my real ID with me to the beach.
Okay, so you just hand a fake one to a police officer?
I mean, if you guys are going to ask my ID, I don't, like, what
So
else
you can give me your name and date of birth, not a fake ID.
Okay.
You know this is fake. You hand it to me.
Right.
That's just stupid.
Okay. We're sorry, sir.
Like, that's a felony. Like, that ruins college. That. Come over here.
Yes.
Oh, he
sir.
talks to her.
Anna, if that's your real name, what's your first name?
I have no idea. Sorry. Oh, 03.
Just so you understand, that's another charge if you give me a fake name.
Yeah, I know. It's real.
What's your address? So you're not even from Ohio?
No.
What's the zip code? What's your date of birth again?
There you are. 5/21/2005.
Yep.
Do you have a driver's license out of Indiana?
Yeah.
What do you go to college?
Yes.
I'm talking to her. What do you want to go to college for? Or what are you going to college for?
Yes.
How do you think it'll affect you trying to work in a hospital with a felony on your record?
Let's go in Indiana, you said?
Ball State. Yep.
Okay. I don't know what the rules are up there. I don't know what campus police does. But this is in Indiana. This is Florida.
right.
We take this stuff seriously.
Right.
Because it gets out of control here.
Do your parents know you're down here?
like I said,
Do they know you have a fake ID?
bouncer.
They know you have a fake ID. They're good with it,
It's still a felon.
and she's good with it.
They can't look up stuff. Like, they're gonna probably just take it and
Right.
try to impede it,
Right.
right? You're handing it to a police officer that has capabilities to search everybody in America. Like, that's just stupid.
Okay.
So, but to hand a fake ID to a cop is, yeah, that's pretty bad.
Where do you have the ID out of Indiana?
We're staying in a house. We're actually in Tampa, but we drove here today. It's like 30 minutes. Yeah. Well, at least at this age.
What's your date of birth again? What is it?
04.
Okay, you told me 03.
So, when you, did you come over the bridge right here? When you drove in, that long bridge?
You told me 02, then you told me 03. I asked you multiple times 03. You said 03. Now you're saying 04.
So, when you came over that
So how old are you?
there was a big sign that said no alcohol.
Put your hands behind your back.
Sir, I didn't know. Sir, I'm nervous. I think she was just trying to stop.
Listen to me. Stay seated. I asked you for your ID the first time. You gave me the fake ID. I asked you for your name and date of birth. You tell me 02. I say 02. You say no 03. Listen to me. I checked the system for 03. Nothing on file. Listen to me. How old are you? You say you're 20. I checked the system for 03. Nothing comes up. I asked you again. Hey, nothing's coming up. Oh, it's 04. How old are you? Now you're 19. First chance I was going to give you the ID, I was going to try to see the system, see if anything came up, see if you were being honest. You're not being honest, I'm done with it. We're not here for this back and forth games. It's spring break, I just want to have fun. You had your chance, and you already lied to me 3 times. 3 strikes, I'm done. That's it, you're going to jail. Stand up.
Okay, so wait now.
Stand up.
I've never done this before. Sir,
You're going to have a seat right here.
Like I said, the game plan.
it's 04. I'm telling you that.
Have a
I
seat.
know.
Have a seat.
Okay, well, you're going to jail right now. Where is the Pinellas County. Get to that information. Let us know where this right
Can you go on that side so you can buckle it?
Yeah.
Okay. What on the floor is yours?
All of this whole entire bag right here.
This bag? Okay.
Yeah. Well, don't take that. You guys have to like confiscate it.
Is this hers? Is this yours? Yeah. Then it's going with her. That's it.
Oh, it's your property. Nope, it's her property.
Nope, it's her property. It's going with her.
Well, like
Leave that alone.
Listen, lying to the police is the last thing we need to be doing. We're trying to help you out and get you a break. You were honest with me after the first day. I don't know why you continued lying.
I didn't. I was so nervous.
Well, that's not an excuse.
You asked me twice, and I said 04.
The third time? Got it. Exactly. You lied.
Like we're 18 years old.
Well, she told me she was 21, then 20, and then 19, so I'm done with it.
Yes. Like I get that, and we fucked up. Like we're good. Like,
Drinking's one thing, okay? We would have. I could promise you. We would have been in a way better position if you guys we went up to you and you guys were like, yeah, we're 18, we're sorry. You just gave us your real information. We would not be in this situation right now. I can assure you that. Okay? But actions have consequences. You handed. I don't even want to know about. We gave you a break from the first time of you handing him, my partner, an ID that was fake. That's strike number 1. He shouldn't have to ask you 5 times what your actual birthday is. I asked your friend here, and she gave up after the first shot and gave me a picture of her ID.
I don't have my ID.
You put over
your
the
name and date of birth, right?
You put over the 17, right?
Yes.
All right.
You know when your birthday is, right? You know what your name is. Okay. So the last thing we should be.
Would you look at this? The actual ID.
I swear I did not know I had that.
Got it. Well, now you know. All
So
right.
like, how do we get her out of jail?
So she's
Because
gonna
none of
get
us
booked
have
into.
ever been in this situation.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
No, okay, so here's the deal. We don't need to tell you anything. I'm doing this out of courtesy.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
so what you guys think you know, or what you think she should do, or what we can do, or confiscate, or
Yeah, I asked
tell her,
once. That's it. You lied to me 3
incorrect.
times.
Okay? Incorrect.
Especially when I'm running the system
Okay?
for
What
the
I'm
other name
doing
she gave me.
out of courtesy.
Now, let's say the name she gave me was like a John Smith. I'm just gonna make this up. Let's say she gave me a John Smith June 3rd, 1991. And let's say that person has a warrant. Assuming this, she looks like a John Smith, like a male or whatever. Now that person has a warrant. Now I go, yeah, clear that warrant. I have him in custody. That's another felony because now I'm clearing somebody else's name. You're giving me their information. If it's just an ID, it's an identification. She had an actual driver's license. That's a felony. So.
If we have one readily available, we're going to put her in a Are these not her shorts right here?
Well, I just didn't know where you guys put her things.
Okay. All right. I'm going to ask you guys right now, is there any more alcohol in the cooler?
Yes, there is.
Open it and let me get it.
Okay. You guys gonna search other people too?
I don't know. Are other people going to give me fake IDs? Well, right now we're dealing with you guys. What about the other cooler?
Nothing in it but food.
Listen, do not lie
All right.
to the police. It's real simple. We're not bouncing out of car.
Fucking nice of you.
Way more serious than trying to get to a bar.
We'll be relocating with the 1015 to the Pier 60 grass area.
That's it. We were most
Everybody
likely
else
gonna,
on this beach is doing as well.
and we're going up and down, and we're taking the alcohol, and we're giving people bricks.
Alrighty.
Okay?
I'm done talking. Wait, you got to relocate?
Yeah.
You go with yours?
Yeah.